architect Sumati Agarwal, the creative head of Studio Arts, Delhi. Spread over an area of 950 square feet, the apartment is located in the heart of Delhi. The brief provided by the client was decisively simple, and the client wanted their house to be very light in nature and non-fussy.
This 2 BHK apartment was required to be converted into a 3 BHK, keeping its structural stability in mind. We moved the door to have a better sense of space in the lobby, from where we wanted to create the drawing room look more welcoming. For that, we changed the entrance of the existing storeroom, which we wanted to create as a drawing room, and provided a square section beam to support the structure. We increased the width of the kitchen by moving the walls to plan it according to the kitchen triangle. There was a provision by the housing society for expanding the space, which we did to have a dresser with the master bedroom. We also changed the size of the window to invite more natural light. Moving on, we divided the room above into two, the sun's room and the mandir, which was designated at the given place according to the Vastu. For the other bedroom, we again changed the position of its entrance to give a little more privacy. Here we shifted the wall towards the balcony to have a good space for the bedroom. The balcony was divided into two to have a bathroom for the elder son and a study area for the younger one. As soon as you get a glance at the entrance door, you get to know what the look and feel of the house is going to be. The color scheme of the house is such that one feels very light and relaxed with the kind of harmony that is created between the surfaces and the materials. We focused on creating clean lines and minimalism, and also tried to give a touch of Indianness to the overall essence of the spaces. We proposed the mandir according to Vastu. One of the walls is dedicated to a Sanskrit shlok, which became one of the most exciting features for the client. Brass inlays are done in the bed back and the TV unit of the master bedroom, with fine quilting to provide the feeling of essence, art and luxury at the same time. We used mirror in the elder son's room to give it a bigger look. We also used a bold language of colors and textures. In order to break monotony, the kitchen was done in a French blue laminate with wooden moldings painted in the same color. In the common bathroom, a Moroccan style of carpet tile flooring is done, complementing the overall essence of the vanity. The overall look and feel in the younger son's room was kept in Oriental style, where the wardrobe is an example of perfect craftsmanship along with the bed complementing the overall aesthetics.